Find groups of values that are not equal 0 in a list. I'm looking for an easy way to find plateaus or groups in Python lists. As input I have something like this. I want to extract the middle position of every group. Group is defined in this case as data that is not equal 0 and, for example, at least 3 positions long. Enclaved single zeros, like on position 6, should be ignored. Basically, I want to get the following output. For my use case, it is not really important to get very precise output data. 10,21 would still be fine. To conclude everything, first group, 0.143, 0.0, 0.22, 0.135, 0.44, 0.1, second group, 0.33, 0.65, 0.22. Now the position of the middle element, or left or right from the middle, if there is no true middle value. So in the output 8 would be the middle of the first group, and 20 the middle of the second group. I've already tried some approaches, but they are not as stable as I wanted them to be. For example, more enclaved zeros can cause problems. So before investing more time in this idea, I wanted to ask if there is a better way to implement this feature. I even think that this could be a generic problem. Is there maybe already standard code that solves it? There are other questions that describe roughly the same problem, but I have also the need to smooth the data before processing. 1. Smooth the data, get rid of enclaved zeros. 2. Find start points in the smooth list. If a value is not equal 0 and the value before was 0, it should be a start point. If an endpoint was found, use the last start point that was found and the current endpoint to get the middle position of the group and write it to a deck. Edit. To simplify everything, I gave only a short example for my input data at the beginning. This short list actually causes a problematic smoothing output. The whole list will get smoothed and no 0 will be left. Actual input data after smoothing.
A fairly simple way of finding groups as you described would be to convert data to a Boolean array with 1s for data inside groups and 0 for data outside the groups and compute the difference of two consecutive value. This way you'll have 1 for the start of a group and -1 for the end. Here's an example of that. And the output.
Your smooth data has no zeros left. Output. A way to find it in your original data would be Output.
Full numpy solution would be something like this, not fully optimized.
Part 2. Find the group midpoint. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribe.